back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making sausage and potatoes. So before we get into our recipe, I want to thank everybody for the support that you have given to That Boy Cooking. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's grab our apron and let's make some sausage and potatoes. For our sausage and potatoes, we are going to need baby red potatoes, onion, bell pepper, sausage, mushrooms, olive oil, garlic, thyme, season all, salt, pepper, and cooking spray. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have a pot of water, which I've added a little salt to, and we brought it up to a rolling boil. And to this, we are going to add our potatoes, and we're going to let these boil for 5 minutes. Then we're going to remove them and place them in a bowl. So our potatoes have been boiling for about 5 minutes. So to this, we're going to go ahead and add in our onions, bell pepper, and sausage. Give this a little toss. We'll slowly start mixing this stuff together. Whoop, and there goes one trying to get away. Add in our garlic. And our mushrooms. And to this, we're going to drizzle in our olive oil. And our all-purpose seasoning, thyme, and salt and pepper. And then we're going to give this a good toss. Make sure the seasonings and the olive oil is on everything. And hopefully we're going to not make too big a mess. And so far we're doing really well. Alright, so now that we got this all mixed up and ready to go, we're going to turn around and place this on a foil-lined baking tray. So we have as a foil-lined baking sheet, and to this we are going to spray some oil spray. And then we are going to add our mixture to the sheet. And there's the mess that I was talking about. Yep. And then we just want to evenly line this out across the sheet. And now we are going to place this in a 425-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. So these have been going for about 30 minutes. And as you can see, our potatoes are nice and tender. Give this a little mix. And then we're going to plate this up some. Oops. Get a little bit more vegetables. I do like me some roasted vegetables. And here we go. Alright, so we have us some sausage and potatoes, and the smell is just wonderful. So we're going to give us a bite. Oh yeah. This will make a perfect side dish, or it can be a meal in itself. So I really do hope y'all try this video. I hope y'all really try this recipe. It just just seems like today I'm just all, you know, kind of not able to talk. So, but I do hope y'all try this recipe. It is really, really good. Got a nice little spice to it. And as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. And so until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and I'm going to finish this